Recently, the Indian Air Force inducted the first batch of 8 Apache helicopters. Indian Air Force has signed a contract with the Boeing company and US government for 22 attack helicopters. The whole contract is worth $3 billion and includes 15 Chinook heavy lift choppers and 22 attack helicopters. India will become the 14th country to induct the Apache helicopter in its Air Force fleet. The Indian Air Force has received the AH64E version of the helicopter, which is the latest and the most advanced version to this date. It can be equipped with Hellfire missiles, Stinger missiles, and Hydra rockets as primary weapons, and it also has a permanent 30mm chain gun with a capacity of 1200 rounds as the secondary weapon. The Hellfire missiles are air-to-surface missiles with a range of 8,000 meters. The missile is like a mini aircraft. It has its own guidance computer, steering control, and propulsion system. The missile carries a payload that is highly explosive and powerful enough to take down the heaviest tanks. The Apache can carry up to 16 Hellfire missiles at a time. The Stinger missiles equipped in the helicopter are for air-to-air combat and have a range of 6 kilometers. A maximum of 4 such missiles can be equipped at a time. The Hydra rockets equipped in the Apache are useful to strike down groups of enemies with precision. 76 such rockets can be equipped at a time. The 30mm chain gun has a fire rate of 625 rounds per minute with a capacity of 1200 rounds and can be used to carry out precision strikes on groups of enemies. At the nose of the Apache is the modern target acquisition system. This system can link the 30mm chain gun to the helmet of the pilot, making the gun track head movements of the pilot to point at where he looks. This is the fire control radar. This radar can detect enemy air defense units from long distances and share the information with the pilots and the control base. The AH64E version of the Apache is equipped with the latest T700 twin-turbo shaft engine. These engines are more powerful than all other versions used previously in the Apache helicopter. An advanced engine allows the AH64E version of the Apache to attain a max speed of 365 km/h even at higher altitudes, and also increase the thrust to lift up a heavier payload easily.